Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to edit Pinterest pictures. Firstly, open Pinterest and click on the Create Pin button. Choose a short and catchy title that includes keywords to make your pin searchable. Add detailed description with relevant keywords and drag and drop your photo or click it to upload it manually. You can edit it on Canva, PixArt, or many editing apps to fine-tune the final file. Ensure the image is high quality and visually appealing. After uploading, you can edit the image by clicking on the pencil icon to open the Pinterest photo editor. Use it to crop, adjust brightness, and add text overlays. And finally, you can link your pin to a blog post, product page, or social media post. Select an existing board or create a new one that fits your pin's theme. And that's it, guys. Now all you have to do is to publish your